Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to grow fenugreek at home. Fenugreek is a highly nutritious herb that is used in many cuisines around the world. It is easy to grow and can be done in a small space such as a windowsill or balcony. In this video, I will be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to grow fenugreek at home, including tips on choosing the right container, preparing the soil, sowing the seeds, providing light and water, fertilizing, and harvesting. So, if you're interested in growing your own fenugreek and enjoying its health benefits, then stay tuned and let's get started. Fenugreek, also known as methi, is a highly nutritious and aromatic herb that is commonly used in Indian, Middle Eastern, and North African cuisines. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and has many health benefits. Growing fenugreek at home is easy, and it can be done in a small space such as a windowsill or balcony. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow fenugreek at home. Choose the right container. Fenugreek can be grown in any type of container that is at least 6 inches deep and has drainage holes. You can use a plastic pot, terracotta pot, or any other container that you have on hand. Prepare the soil. Fenugreek prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. You can use a mix of compost, potting soil, and sand to create a well-draining soil mix. Fill the container with the soil mix, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. Sow the seeds. Fenugreek seeds are readily available in grocery stores or online. You can sow the seeds directly in the soil, spacing them about 1 inch apart. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water gently. Water regularly. Fenugreek likes to be kept moist, so water the plant regularly, but do not overwater. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Make sure to water the plant from the bottom or use a gentle stream of water to avoid washing away the seeds. Provide light. Fenugreek needs at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day to grow well. If you are growing fenugreek indoors, place the container near a sunny window or under a grow light. Fertilize. Fenugreek does not require much fertilizer, but you can add a balanced fertilizer once a month to promote growth. You can also add compost or organic matter to the soil to improve fertility. Harvest. Fenugreek leaves can be harvested when they are about 4 to 6 inches tall. Simply snip off the leaves with a pair of scissors, leaving the stems intact. Fenugreek seeds can be harvested when the pods turn yellow and begin to split open. Cut the pods off the plant and allow them to dry completely before removing the seeds. In conclusion, growing fenugreek at home is a simple and rewarding process. With the right container, soil, water, light, and fertilizer, you can enjoy fresh and nutritious fenugreek leaves and seeds right from your own home.